There was a time when a mother had to give up her baby, not because she didn't love him, but because she loved him too much to let him die. This is the story of Musa alayhi salam. But before he was a prophet, before the plagues, the staff, the sea splitting into 12, he was a baby floating in a basket. The Fir'aun had declared war on children. Every male baby born to the Israelites should be slaughtered without mercy, without hesitation. And in that time of terror, a woman gave birth to a beautiful, peaceful, and radiant baby. Her heart knew this boy was special, but the soldiers didn't care about special. So she did